What a scene here in Zagreb. You can see this black, dark smoke billowing out from a structure that's fully engulfed in highly orange flames. Don't yet know the cause. Let me run closer so we can get a better look. This seemingly just happened and the entire structure's on fire. Looks like it's a restaurant, and my god, the flames are just pouring out of every angle of it. Smoke is billowing, black smoke, super toxic, and these firefighters have just arrived on the scene. They haven't even started spraying the hoses yet. It looks like they're trying to get a connection to a water source. They're working on that right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 of them, 2 trucks. Here goes the water. So they'll start to get it under control soon. We should hope, but it looks like the entire structure is just done for. It's looks like it's a boat, or at least was a boat kind of restaurant set on grass. You can see, I mean, just get these amazing visuals as these flames are just absolutely ripping out the side of the building. I mean, look at this. It's incredible. We don't know how it started, why it started, but I can feel the heat right now. And you can hear the fire crackling as the flames have made their way off into the grass here too. You can hear it popping, and I should keep away because I don't know what's gonna happen, but they've subdued the flames. So it's a full-blown structure fire. And again, I can feel the heat from this far away. Sounds like they're calling in for backup. Can hear some sirens off in the background, which indicates more trucks and helpers coming. And it's a bit of a spooky scene though, because they're now entering the structure. Probably not advisable, because you don't know if the roof can collapse. It's dangerous, and the footing is slippery. I just saw the one firefighter, his foot just slide a bit as these men are attacking the rear. See if the other side gives us any better of a look. Not really. So we'll return to our original post here. Up, yeah. Yes. So he just indicated to me that I need to move up. And it's a steep climb here. But one of the biggest fires I've ever seen. Strange that you have a boat that's on grass. Strange that it just went up in flames. Again, the culprit, we don't know yet. We don't know if someone lit this on fire or how this came to be, but certainly an exciting seen here along the riverside in good old Zagreb, Croatia. And it looks like they're now fully in the structure. Again, pretty dangerous. There's no reason for them to be risking their lives going inside a structure where no one is. It's an abandoned building essentially, so they probably shouldn't get in there yet. They could continue to spray water from the outside and wait for things to cool down, but they're inside there now and they're amongst all that toxic smoke. As more of their firefighters come, there's 2 more trucks arriving here. And you can see people have gathered to become a community event here. And this is one reason why I always keep my camera with me, guys, because you just kind of never know what's going to happen when you're just walking around out in the world. And as you can see, shit happens. And so this is now for sure a news story, and it'd be interesting to see if we get some answers about what the root cause of it was in the coming days.